How do hurricanes form? Hurricanes are the most ocean violent storms on Earth. They form near the equator over warm ocean waters. Actually, the term hurricane is used only for large storms that form over the Atlantic Ocean or Eastern Ocean. The generic scientific term of this, whatever they occur, is a tropical cyclone. The main parts of the hurricane is bands and spiral his center. This is a the eye is a very calm sector. Few clouds are approximately 12 30 miles diameter, and the eye is made up of thick clouds and the most intense hurricanes winds that are located. The spiral bands with a heavy activity converge toward the center of the hurricane counterclockwise manner at a high level of the atmosphere, and the flows and counterclockwise also. The earth sinks in the center of the hurricane, leading to it. In the thick of the clouds is very surrounding of the hurricane. The stronger also are located. Changes of the structure of the ice. The ice can change also. Can cause the speed of the storm. The eye can get bigger and bigger after crosses the ocean waters, and the width of that can be from some miles to 90 miles, and vary from 50 to 300 miles also. Hurricanes form in many ocean regions. Just the Atlantic, there are over 6 areas where cyclones, the given name of the atmosphere phenomena depends on the region of the world. There are formed hurricanes, original, born initially of the low pressure system around the Green Cape of the northern of Africa. As the years progresses, the birthplace of the hurricane moving westward from that initial position of the African coast, moving toward the Caribbean in the months of September, October. Hurricanes are among the most powerful natural hazards that known by humankind. During the hurricane, residentials, commercials, and public buildings, as well as critical structure, such as transportation, water, energy, communication systems, and maybe hurricanes can be both tremendous directive, destructive, and deadly damage. We have 5 categories. Category 1 is from 74 to 95 miles per hour. Category 2 is from 96 to 110 miles per hour. Category 3 can be from 111 to 130 miles per hour. Category 4 can be from 131 to 155, and the worst is category 5, which is from 155, and that becomes a very catastrophe. In conclusion of this, if you look around the weather, sometimes you see is a gray and heavily. You struggle to breathe, and between the rapid rain and violent waters, which attempting to pull you, can pull you over. Under, and then forever. Your house is no longer existing because of the broken and the pounding waters. The fast winds happen. This is exactly what can be like when you are in the middle of the hurricane. After hurricanes is over, the confusion is very crazy. Children that who has nobody around, they become orphanage. People who can walk and probably because of the damage the hurricane caused can be paralyzed. This is exactly what hurricane looks at: extremely serious natural disaster with the extraordinary speed and allegedly and the hurricane, and cannot be stopped by any person. If the water condition changes, that's the only way if the weather condition changes, that's the only way the hurricane stop. Otherwise, it can go over and over for months. Who knows for how long it can go around. This might be one of the things that my hurricanes seem so fearful and most in the face, and there is nothing you can do to expect that you will stop. The damage is really serious and very dangerous, and you have to look up as such, because the amount of damage they can do is amazing, with their amazing combination, the wind and water, and there's nothing that you can probably let people and the property around the world destroyed. That's if you want to know more about hurricanes, I invite you to do more search. Go to www.nasa.com. Thank you.